Welcome back to Saril's Kitchen. I have my own little garden, which I can call it as kitchen garden or kitty garden. These plants yield few vegetables, but here most of them has got medicinal qualities and also used in our daily life. Out of them, one such plant is used in preparing biryani or pulao. In most of the places they use it in preparing soup. In places like Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, they use it in most of the dish. In today's video, I am going to show you how to prepare prawns pulao using this special leaf which has got unique aroma and has a special quality. Let's see how to prepare it, but before that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's have a quick look to my garden. Let me show you few herbs which has got medicinal properties. These are lemongrass, which is very popular herb and it is used in variety of dish. It has lemony and floral flavor which works well with savory foods and drinks. It is used especially in tea and it is also used in making perfumes and room fresheners. These leaves are called as sambarballi or dodpatre. Normally it is considered as home remedy for the treatment of cough, sore throats and nasal congestion. It is also used in few dishes like rasam, chutney and even fritters. Besides this, I have tulsi or holy basil. It is called as the queen of all herbs and has several medicinal properties and also are used in treating common cold, cough, etc. It is used to treat common ailments. It has a strong and pleasing aroma. Coming towards the turmeric leaf, it is one of the most effective nutritional supplement. In most of the places, it is used in preparing variety of dish and the aroma intensifies as it cooks. Turmeric is a very strong antioxidant. Meanwhile, the plant's antibacterial properties seeps into the prepared dish and it is used in cooking and also has multiple beauty benefits. It revives the skins by bringing out its natural glow. These are curry leaves, which is the best for health, beauty and hair. They are known for their aromatic and distinctive flavor. These herbs are widely used in Indian kitchens for variety of dish. Here are few rose plants. I love these rose plants. It enhances the beauty of my home garden. Henna leaves or mehendi leaves has impressive health benefits. These leaves helps to improve hair health and it is also a natural treatment for dandruff. It is a heavily scented evergreen shrub and the leaf paste is used to dye hands and nails, especially during occasions. These are my favorite mint leaves. I just love the smell of these leaves. These aromatic herbs are very popular for its freshness and various health benefits and also for its antioxidant properties. It is an amazing appetizer and immunity booster. Its strong and refreshing smell will help to beat stress and rejuvenate the mind. We find mint, candies, tea, chewing gum, mouthwash, toothpaste, ice creams, chocolate and most important, mojito and other cuisines. Now the limelight of today's video, that's pandan leaves or we call it as biryani leaves or pulao leaves. Pandan leaves has unique aroma and are widely used for flavoring the cuisines in most of the places. It is used in salads and even in desserts. Here we'll show you the steps to pot a plant. I have filled the pot with the mud. Make the mud light and crumbly. I have a sapling. Fill it only till the brim of the pot. I have purchased the mud and also the pot from the nursery nearby. You can use any variety of pots. Dig the mud at the center. Now plant this sapling firmly in the center of the pot. Press the mud firmly around the base of the plant. Now water the pot. Make sure you water the plant daily and do not overwater the plant. This plant grows very fast. All these plants are easy to grow in a home garden. Along with cooking, gardening is also my passion. Now let's see how to prepare prawns pulao. Here I have taken good quality basmati rice. Rinse thoroughly and soak for 10 to 15 minutes. I have taken one bowl of prawns. We need to clean this and devein. As I have already told you, I am using these fresh pandan leaves or biryani leaves to prepare this special pulao. Take a kadai, pour 1 tablespoon of oil as well as 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add few peppercorns, cloves and cinnamons. Add onions to this and saute it. Saute the onions until it turns transparent. Add ginger garlic paste. To this add green chilies and mix it. Add finely chopped tomatoes and little salt. Mix well. Now close the lid and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. The tomatoes are completely cooked and now it's time to add the spices and the remaining ingredients. Here goes in turmeric powder, chili powder, and mix it well. Add soaked rice to this and gently mix it. Fry the rice at least for 2 minutes. Once it's done, add prawns to this and mix it slightly. Add pieces of pandan leaves. And add sufficient water. Add salt as per taste. Here I have added few pieces of beans and carrots, which is very healthy. Finally, add coriander leaves and give it a good mix. Close the lid and cook it in high flame until it boils. Now reduce the flame and cook for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure the flame is too low. Wow, the aroma in my kitchen is really amazing. This is really a very tasty and yummy pulao. Do try, definitely you will love it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like, please do comment.